Hey guys, wanna know how to set a countdown timer on your Instagram story in just a couple of taps? Follow this simple tutorial step by step and you'll know how, so let's get started. First off, open Instagram on your device and then swipe to the left to open the Instagram Stories creation page. Now here open your gallery by clicking on this small square at the bottom left, and now select the media that you want to use for this countdown. Now to actually create a countdown, just click on this sticker icon at the top, and now you will see a lot of bubbles with the options. So from here, select the countdown option. Now give a countdown a name like a graduation. Now simply set the end date and time by clicking on these zeros. So now set the date and now set the month. You can also set the year right here, and when ready, just tap done in the top right. So when you have set the timer, you can also tag some friends just by clicking on this text icon at the top left right here. Now click on the mention option right there above the keyboard and select the person that you want to tag. Then just tap done to finalize, and also you can add some music just by clicking on this music icon at the top too. Now select the song that fits the best your story and now hit that arrow button at the bottom right. So that's pretty much it, guys. You can now post your story just by clicking on your story option at the bottom left. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.